Good morning, students. So today I will start exercise 2b. Okay, 2a that is completed. So 2b that I will start. 2.2. Okay. So in that first question, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. Means we have to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Okay. And verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. So first find zeros. So in that first part, x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay. So first factorize this. Okay, and find its zeros. So 8. So find their factors and minus 8 and coefficient of x square means constant term and coefficient of x square, that is 1. So minus 8 into 1, that will be minus 8. Okay, so if product is coming negative, so by subtracting middle term will come. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So satisfying these two conditions means in place of 2 we will write 4 minus 2. Okay, then open the bracket, then make pairs. So from first pair x take common, from second pair 2 take common, then again this bracket x minus 4 that is common. So in next bracket x plus 2. So if x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4 and that is suppose alpha. Okay, and second bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2, that suppose beta. Okay. So zeros, now you can write therefore zeros are, okay, 4 and minus 2. First part completed. Then second part, verify the relationship. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So alpha and beta here, okay, what you obtained from polynomial. So 4 and minus 2, so alpha means 4 plus beta means minus 2 is equal to ABC. So given polynomial, compare by, okay, ax square plus bx plus c. So x square coefficient a and here 1 means a is equal to 1. Put here. B here x coefficient and here x coefficient minus 2. So minus and b value minus 2. Clear? So this will be 2 and this 4 minus 2. So 2 is equal to 2, verified. Means when LHS is equal to RHS, verified. Then alpha means 4 and beta means minus 2 is equal to C, constant minus A upon A, that is 1. So 4 minus 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 8, verified. Okay, so first part. So like this second, third, okay, third part you see. So this completed. Okay. So third part, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So first you arrange in proper order. Okay. So 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So coefficient of x square 6, constant term minus 3. So their product will be minus 18. Then 18, find their factors. This. So make pairs and product is coming negative. So by subtracting, so 9 minus 2, that is 7, and 9 into minus 2 minus 18. Satisfy both conditions. So in place of 7, you put 9 minus 2. Then same like that first part you do. So minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Make pair. From first pair, take 3x common. So 2x minus 3. From second pair, nothing is common, means 1. 1 everywhere common. Then this bracket is common in both terms. So in second bracket 3x plus 1. Then separately put 0. So if 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, so 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. That is alpha. Okay. And second bracket 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3. That is beta. Clear? And after that, verification their relationship. Okay, verification of relationship. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Okay. Okay. So putting alpha and beta values, so 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3 is equal to, again compare by ax square plus bx plus c. So b minus 3, so minus and minus 3 upon a is 6. Okay. Then simplify it. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 upon 6. Take LCM. 2 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Sorry, you compare this by this because this is not in proper order. So b is equal to minus 7. Sorry for this. Okay, minus 7 and a is, that is correct. So this will be 7 by 6. Okay, sorry again. So this 7 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6. Okay. Then alpha into beta. So alpha, that is 3 by 2 into beta means minus 1 by 3 is equal to c. So c is minus 3 upon a means 6. So 3 cancel. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Relationship also verified. Clear? In part 4, in part 6 also like this. Okay, means first, second, third, sixth, these all are same their process. Okay, means for finding zeros, but fourth and fifth you see. u square plus 8u. Okay, so here directly you can take 4u, take common. So what will be remaining? U plus 2. Then separately put 0. So 4 that will not be 0. So if u plus 2 is equal to 0, so u is equal to minus 2 alpha. And u is equal to 0, that is beta. Clear? So zeros minus 2 and 0. Then apply formula for relationship alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon alpha, that is minus 2 plus beta 0. So minus b, compare this by this au square plus bu plus c. So b is 8 and a is 4. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then alpha beta, that is c by a. So alpha minus 2, beta 0. C here not given, means plus 0 also you can write. So constant is 0 upon a. So 0 is equal to 0. This verify. Clear? Fifth part, e square minus 15. So here formula a square minus b square. So t square minus under root 15 whole square. So a minus b and a plus b. Then putting separately 0. So if t minus under root 15 is equal to 0, so t is equal to root 15 and that is alpha. And t plus under root 15 is equal to 0, so t is equal to minus under root 15 and that is beta. Okay, and after that you verify relationship also. Okay, then question number 2, their first part. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Means according to question, what are given as the sum and product of its zeros. So suppose let zeros of quadratic polynomial. Okay, let zeros of quadratic polynomial are alpha and beta. Then according to question, okay, so sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to given 1 by 4 and product of zeros alpha beta is equal to minus 1. So we have two methods by that we can find quadratic polynomial. Okay, so I will tell you both methods. Okay, first method you see alpha plus beta, that is given 1 by 4 and alpha plus beta we know that minus b by a, that is formula, and alpha beta that we know c by a. So here minus b upon a is equal to 1 by 4 and here minus 1 also we can write minus 1 upon 1. Okay, so write here 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b upon a and minus 1 upon 1 is equal to, so here a that is 4 and here 1. So if not same means in these two equations a is coming in denominator and here in 1 by 4 denominator is 4 and minus 1 by 1 denominator is 1. So if denominators are not same, if same then directly we can compare. Okay, means minus b that will be 1 and a that will be 4. If equal then, but here not equal. So first we make their denominators equal by taking LCM. So LCM of 4 and 1 will be 4. So that already 4. So no need to do anything in this. Okay, but in this multiply and divide by 4, then denominator will be 4. Okay, and when you solve also will be equal to minus 1 upon 1 and after that compare it. So compare, after comparing, okay, after comparing we get, so what we will get, minus b is equal to 1 means b is equal to minus 1. Okay, a is equal to 4 here also and here, that's why multiplied and divided by, and c is equal to minus 4. So therefore required quadratic polynomial is so the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, putting a b c value, so a 4, so 4x square minus x minus 4, this will be answer. Okay. So this was first method. Second method, okay, this first method. First method, okay, and this second method. In exam, you can apply any method. Okay. So second method, you know that if zeros are given, so quadratic polynomial in that formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square minus alpha plus beta directly given 1 by 4. 1 by 4x plus alpha beta minus 1. So take LCM. So 4x square minus x minus 4. So 1 by 4, 4x square minus x minus 4. 1 by 4, that is constant, suppose k. Okay. So when we write quadratic polynomial, so write without constant. So therefore, required quadratic polynomial, okay, is without k. 4x square minus x minus 4. Here you can write where k is equal to 1 upon 4. So by both method. So I think that both easy. When you do practice them, will be easy. Okay. So remaining parts also like this you can do. Okay. One more part, like part second. Okay. Part second. Okay. Same remaining thing. So in second part, this is given under root 2. Okay. So under root 2 means under root 2 by 1. And this is given 1 by 3. Okay. So here also a1 and here 3. So denominators are not same. So take their LCM. So LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. So we have to make both their denominators 3. So multiply by 3. So under root 2 into 3 upon 1 into 3 is equal to b upon a. Means 3 under root 2 upon 3 is equal to b upon a. And then from this already 3, then no problem. So comparing, you write after comparing. So what we will get? B is equal to 3 under root 2. A is equal to 3 and C is equal to 1. The required quadratic polynomial means 3x square plus 3 under root 2x plus 1. This will be answer. Okay. By this way also you can do. Okay. In place of that you will write under root 2 and alpha beta, that is given 1 by 3. So take LCM 3. Okay. So 3x square, this is given x square minus 4. Sorry, here this is minus b. Okay, this is minus b. So this minus, so b that will be minus root 3. Okay, so here, sorry, again 3x square minus, here this will be minus. Okay, so this will be, okay, so minus 3 under root 2x plus 1. So here 1 by 3. This will be 3x square minus 3 under root 2x plus 1. Then k remaining things same like that. 3x square minus 3 under root 2x plus 1. Where k here k is 1 by 3. So required polynomial 3x square minus 3 under root 2x plus 1. Clear? So like this remaining part also you can do from yourself. Clear? Or one more part remaining also you can do. Okay, same like this. Okay, so in next video I will start exercise 2.3. okay, thank you.